Hi all, Renee here. Today I am here to bring you the Cut Above Layout Kit for March for the Craft with Heart subscription service. Love these kits so much. You get everything in the kit that you need except for your adhesive and of course your pictures and your own journaling. But everything else is here. Everything is pre-cut, or it's a sticker, or it's a pre-cut die cut. Very easy to do, very simple instructions. Each one of these only has 6 steps. You get two-page layouts in each month. So I am just going to go ahead, get started on these, and then I'll be back at the end to show you the little close-up picture of each one and talk about them a little bit. And so I will be back. Enjoy the process.
Ooh.
Okay, these turned out really nice. They were very easy, very colorful. I love this one. It has kind of a St. Patrick's Day theme to it, but you could really use it for anything. Just real bright and happy. It'd be great for some outdoor pictures because of all the green. Easy to put together. Then this next one, it was easy to put together, but make sure that you, oops, I forgot to take this off. Make sure that you pay attention to the instructions. Put these corner pieces on first, and then you won't have to redo things. Also, I would recommend that on this one, you put the 4x6 down on its mat first so that you make sure and put the right mat. I thought these two were the same size, but they are a little bit different. So there's that one. And then on the banners, I would just start at the top and work my way down. You'll see that I did top and bottom and then thought I'd be able to kind of put them, you know, the same distance apart, but it just works better. Start at the top and wherever you end, and it's no big deal. This one is much easier because you only do so many and then you just cover up the rest of the space with this. I would recommend putting this down before you put the star down. That way you know you've got enough room. I cut it a little bit close there, but this one is also really cool. I love this look up here. It makes it look like stitching. That's really neat. So that is, excuse me, that is the Craft with Heart Cut Above Layout Kit for March. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment down below. If you want to take a look at these kits and get one for yourself, just click the link down below that I have for my store. Also, I'd like to invite you to join my VIP group out on Facebook. Fun little group. Just go ahead, click the link below. It'll take you to Facebook. Just make sure you answer the question, because if you don't answer the question, I won't approve you to come into the group. We've had some kind of weird spammers, so we had to put a question in there to kind of weed that out, because they never answer the question. And if you're not already a subscriber, I'd love for you to subscribe. Just hit the red subscribe button down below. And with that, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you again soon. Bye.